Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines for server management step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Microsoft Azure website. On the home page, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on Sign In and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you do not have an account, select the Create One option and follow the prompts to set up a new account. Once signed in, direct your attention to the Azure portal. In the Azure portal, find the Create a Resource button. Click on Create a Resource to access the resource gallery. In the search bar, type Virtual Machine and select the Virtual Machine option from the drop-down list. You will now see the Virtual Machine Creation page. Fill in the required information under the Basics tab. Choose the subscription you want to use. Select or create a resource group for your virtual machine. Enter a name for your virtual machine in the Virtual Machine Name field. Choose the desired region for your virtual machine. Select an appropriate image for your operating system from the image gallery. Pick the size of the virtual machine based on your performance needs. Proceed to configure administrator account settings by entering a username and password. Under the Inbound Port Rules section, choose your preferred ports to allow access. After completing the Basics tab, click Next, Disks at the bottom of the page. In the Disks tab, choose between a standard HDD, standard SSD, or premium SSD based on your requirements. After configuring your disk options, click Next, Networking. In the Networking tab, set up your virtual network and subnet. Ensure the public IP address setting aligns with your access requirements. Click Next, Management to configure monitoring and management options. In the Management tab, review settings like boot diagnostics and auto shutdown options. Once satisfied, click Next, Advanced. In the Advanced tab, review features such as custom data and extensions. Click Next, Review plus Create to proceed. On the Review plus Create page, double-check all your configurations for accuracy. When everything looks good, click the Create button to launch your virtual machine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.